More than 3 in 10 high school students in Korea report struggling to read long texts, according to a recent survey suggesting that shrinking attention spans may place an additional burden on students required to read and analyze lengthy passages, such as those on the college entrance exam.
최근 실시된 설문조사에서 우리나라 고등학생 중 긴 글을 읽는데 어려움을 겪는 비율이 10명 중 3명 이상인 것으로 나타났습니다. 이처럼 저하된 집중력은 수능시험 지문 같은 긴 글을 읽고 분석해야 하는 학생들에게 추가적인 부담으로 작용할 수 있을 것으로 보입니다. Oh dear. Tell us more.
Yeah, so students were kind of questioned, asking how difficult it is for them to stay focused when reading passages of, let's say, 10 minutes or so. So if you have to read an article that takes you about 10 minutes to do it, how difficult is that for you to stay focused without being distracted or your mind wandering? Well, 22.2% said yes, while 8.4% said very much so. So that's over 30% according to the survey of over 3,500 high school students by an educational research institute.
그래요. Staying focused, 집중하는 것과 관련된 얘기죠. 그럼 바로 주요 표현으로 가볼 텐데 attention span입니다.
An attention span is how long you're able to stay focused on something without your mind wandering. So we often talk about a span being sort of like how long something goes from one side to another. Like a bridge spans across a river or it spans across a bay.
Yeah.
So when you talk about an attention span, it's like how long does your attention stay focused on something? So your attention is how long you might be able to listen to someone speaking, or if you're reading a book, then you're staying focused on it. So how long are you able to do that?
그래요. span이라는 동사부터 좀 보게 되면은 시간이나 길이에 걸쳐라는 의미가 있어요. 그러니까 얼마나 오래 지속되느냐, 얼마나 멀리 지속되느냐, 가느냐라는 뜻이 이제 기본적으로는 있는 단어입니다. 자, 그렇다면은 attention span이라는 거는 집중력을 얼마나 오랫동안 유지할 수 있는지 그 집중 시간을 얘기해요. So kids don't have a very long attention span these days. That's what they're saying.
Absolutely, yeah.
Unfortunate.
A lot of it they're attributing to short form media because on your smartphones and devices, if you're scrolling, you're watching something and it's so easy to say, I don't like this, and you move on to the next thing by scrolling. So they do say, especially with children, we try to limit the form of media that our kids can watch. It's one thing for them to watch a video, it's another to allow them to scroll. So,
Exactly.
yeah, as soon as we see our kids scroll something, we're like, no more.
그러게요. 자, 그래서 이렇게 숏폼 미디어에 많이 노출이 돼서 그런지 집중력이 좀 떨어진다. 그런 얘기가 되겠죠. The attention span of these students is not as long as it used to be in the past. 이 span이 들어간 단어 몇 개만 더 언급을 좀 하고 싶은데요. 우리가 이제 길이나 시간이 얼마나 오래 되느냐, 기냐 이런 얘기라고 했잖아요. Lifespan.
Yeah, how long you live.
그죠. 수명. 그다음에 wingspan.
How broad your wings are or arms are for people as well.
새의 경우에는 날개의 길이겠지만 우리 사람은 손끝에서 손끝까지 그 팔 길이죠. 그래서 농구 선수들 같은 경우에 항상 그 스tats 나와 있어요.
Yes.
윙스pan이 몇 미터인지. 근데 옛날에는 제가 이렇게 들었거든요. 키랑 윙스pan이랑 똑같아. 근데 아니더라고요.
Yeah, very
아니에요.
different.
네, 달라요. 그래서 윙스pan이 조금 더 길 수도 있어요. 그렇죠? 자, 어쨌든 다시 돌아가서 lengthy passage 보겠습니다.
Well, a passage in this particular case is something that you're reading to get information from. And something that's lengthy means that it has length or that it is long. So if you're reading something that is long is what it's talking about.
lengthy는 길다라는 형용사예요. I think my explanation earlier on was a bit lengthy.
I didn't think so at all,
아, 그래요?
actually.
그럼 다행이고요.
Yeah.
그래서 장문의 길이의 글, lengthy passage가 되겠습니다. 다시 읽어볼까요? 네.
Oh, I was just going to quickly mention that a passage can also be when you're going from one place to another, then there might be a passage, like a pathway to go from one place to another as well.
통로의 의미도 있어요. 그렇지만 여기서는 글입니다. 자, 다시 읽어볼게요. More than 3 in 10 high school students in Korea report struggling to read long texts, according to a recent survey suggesting that shrinking attention spans may place an additional burden on students required to read and analyze lengthy passages, such as those on the college entrance exam.